Hi, morning everybody. Now I'm at the Singapore River. You can see our most decorative bridge over there. So what's the job today? Maybe I introduce this restaurant. Carnivorous Restaurant is one of the famous meat restaurants in Singapore. It started at Chime and now it moved over here at the Robinson Quay. We are here to do the flooring. There's an issue of the flooring being very slippery. So today we are using our in-house product, the Ilet Tile Cream, to make the floor less slippery. Follow me. The floor is a bit over smooth. Now we are preparing, we are going to apply our Ilet Tile Cream on the floor. So because this tile's surface by nature is a bit smooth, so we want to make it more anti-slip. Okay, so the whole process will take about 3 hours because the area is quite big. So I'll share the process along the way. Yeah.
Now we are doing on the floor. The beauty of this product is you do not need to prepare the floor. You can apply directly, unlike other products that you need to clean the floor. So this will reduce the time you need to apply on the floor. Okay, we started at application at 8:15. So now the time is 8:37. We finished close to 40% of the flooring. So we have done it at 8:15 today. So now we are cleaning half of it before the other half we can start proceeding.
Oh, you have treat before?
Treat before, also no good.
No good, right? Only one spoil already.
Now we are doing the second phase of the restaurant. We finished one phase, so now we are doing the second phase, the flooring. So you can see we started at 8:15. For 2 hours, we already finished more than 65% of the restaurant. Done. So now wait for it to dry.